Most animals have multiple species and subspecies alive today, but humans are an exception. Homo sapiens are the sole survivors of their genus, with all other human species extinct. The fact that various other human species once shared this planet alongside us is both fascinating and humbling. Perhaps the best known relative of modern humans is the Neanderthal, Homo neanderthalensis, who appeared about 400,000 years ago, and lived alongside Homo sapiens for roughly 310,000 years. Neanderthals were physically distinctive, with robust bodies, thick bones, broad chests, and muscular limbs. Men stood at around 167 centimeters, women 154 centimeters, both remarkably strong and requiring around 4,000 calories daily, fueling their predominantly carnivorous diets. Indeed, their hunting skills were formidable enough to hunt massive prey like the Paleoloxodon, earning them a place at the apex of their food chain. Yet, intriguingly, archaeological finds indicate instances of cannibalism among Neanderthals, possibly driven by ritual, survival, or cultural practices, although the exact reasons remain debated. Despite their strength, Neanderthals mysteriously vanished approximately 40,000 years ago, with theories ranging from competition with Homo sapiens to catastrophic volcanic events. But the truth remains elusive. Before Neanderthals, Homo heidelbergensis emerged around 700,000 years ago, widely regarded as a common ancestor to Neanderthals and modern humans. These giants had impressive physical stature, often over 180 centimeters tall, and some fossils even reaching an astounding 213 centimeters. Heidelbergensis developed advanced hunting tools like spears, constructed rudimentary shelters, produced artistic items, and conducted burial rituals, reflecting their sophisticated intellect. However, evolutionary competition with descendant species ultimately led to their extinction. Even earlier was Homo erectus, appearing about 2 million years ago. Their more human-like proportions allowed efficient long-distance running, helping them spread globally. Despite their larger brains and improved stone tools, the equally in hand axe, they never advanced significantly beyond these basic implements, puzzling researchers. One theory suggests cultural rigidity or superstition may have prevented technological advancement. The last known Homo erectus individuals disappeared about 100,000 years ago, due to volcanic eruptions on Java Island. The subspecies Homo sapiens idle, known from fossils approximately 160,000 years old, closely resembled modern humans in appearance and behavior. They crafted sophisticated tools, hunted animals, and practiced intricate funeral rites, including skull polishing and ceremonial burial methods. Sadly, their exact fate remains unclear due to limited evidence. Another fascinating contemporary was the Denisovan, identified primarily through DNA from sparse fossil remains like finger bones and teeth. They were intelligent, as shown by their crafted jewelry and tools. Remarkably, Denisovan DNA persists today, among Pacific Islanders and Southeast Asians, suggesting they lived until relatively recently, perhaps around 14,500 years ago. Homo floresiensis, dubbed hobbits due to their diminutive stature around 1 meter tall, lived isolated on Indonesia's Flores Island. Despite their small brains, they used fire and stone tools, effectively hunting the island's wildlife. They mysteriously vanished around 50,000 years ago, possibly due to volcanic activity or competition with arriving Homo sapiens. Another curious branch, Homo naledi, took a uniquely different evolutionary path. About 335,000 years ago, adapted to climbing, They had small bodies, around 143 centimeters tall, and smaller brains. Yet, intriguingly, they practiced deliberate burial rituals, hinting at significant cognitive abilities. They went extinct approximately 100,000 years ago, possibly unable to compete against more adaptive species. Other ancient humans, like Paranthropus, prospered initially, thanks to their powerful jaws and vegetarian diets. However, this dietary choice restricted their energy and brain development, ultimately causing their demise against more adaptable omnivorous humans. Interestingly, though extinct, these species haven't completely vanished. Modern humans still carry fragments of their DNA, 1–4% from Neanderthals, associated with traits such as fat storage efficiency and even male pattern baldness. Denisovan genes are found in many East Asians and Pacific Islanders. Only southern Africa's Khoisan populations maintain a uniquely pure Homo sapiens lineage. Even Homo sapiens faced a significant bottleneck event around 70,000 years ago, due to extreme climate change, reducing the population drastically and causing severe genetic uniformity. This has made humanity susceptible to pandemics and other existential threats, underscoring our vulnerability despite technological advancement. Ultimately, humans stand as lonely survivors, carrying the legacy of our diverse ancestors. The critical question remains: how long can we continue our solitary journey, as the last remaining human species?